In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Epidemic Sound. Now, I've been using them for a few months now. I just purchased one of their plans, and I've been incorporating them quite a bit lately inside my video editing projects. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing all the features, what's included in the plan, and hopefully this is helpful if you're considering subscribing to Epidemic Sound. So let's dive in. Alright, so if you go to the pricing, you have a few different plans to choose from. First, you can either choose the creator plan, the pro plan, the business plan, or if you need a custom plan, then there's the enterprise option. The creator plan is really if you're a solo content creator. So if you have like one YouTube channel like I do, and that's all you really need music for, then this option is great for you. But if you need client work, let's say if you're a freelance video editor, maybe you have wedding clients or different people that will be using those videos with the music in it, then you might need the Pro plan. And this covers up to 3 channels per platform. It covers freelancer client work. And then if you're a small business, you can get the business plan. Now you have an option to choose whether it's yearly or monthly. So you can pay monthly or yearly here by clicking on this button here. And you can see that there's a pretty decent discount if you pay for the yearly. Now, one common question when it comes to Epidemic Sound is how does the clearing process work? Let's say if you use a song and you make it in a video, you upload it to YouTube, how do you make sure that it doesn't get copyright restricted? Well, inside Epidemic Sound, when you subscribe, you can choose to go to your account settings. And if you go over to the safe list option, you can add in different YouTube channels, or if you're on a different platform, you can add those as well. And like I mentioned, if you have the Pro plan, you can add more than one YouTube channel. But if you have the creator plan, you'll only be able to add one channel per platform. And let's say if you really need to clear a specific video, maybe a client is using a video for their own YouTube channel or posts it, you can scroll down and click on Safe List of Video. And you can copy and paste their YouTube link in here and clear it. So for the most part, this has worked really nicely. I haven't personally had any issues. And this is similar to a lot of the other stock music websites that I use. All right, so now that we covered the plans and how to clear videos, let's see what's inside Epidemic Sound. When you go to the home page, when you have a subscription, you'll see that you have 2 different options at the very top. You can search using the search bar, or you can actually use their new assistant, which is really cool. So similar to ChatGPT or any of the AI models, you can actually describe what you're looking for, and Epidemic Sound will use AI to suggest different music and sound effects. And you can continue on chatting with it, which I'll show you later in this video. But if we scroll down here, you can see when you plug in your YouTube channel, it'll recommend different songs based on your channel's videos. So if we click play here, you can see that it's actually pulling the lo-fi beats that I use for my background music, which is really cool. So if I wanted to add on to that type of music, I can select different songs here and download them. You'll also see, if you scroll down, more of what you like. So if you've been searching for quite a bit on Epidemic Sound, you've been downloading different songs, it'll recommend other songs that are similar to the ones that you've downloaded. So these are some cool features to explore if you've been using Epidemic Sound for a little bit. Let's go into the music tab. So in the music tab, this is the main tab that you can go to search for music on the platform. Like I mentioned, you have the search bar and the assistant. Let's start with the search bar. So this is an AI powered search bar. So you can search by mood, genre, reference track, or you can kind of describe what you're looking for. So if we click on this, let's say if we're looking for an uplifting sports ultimate highlight video, we can type that in. You'll get different recommendations based on that prompt. Now you'll also notice that you can search by video. If you click on this, you can choose to drag and drop a video, and it'll recommend songs based on that uploaded clip, which is really cool. Now let's say if you're going through and browsing songs, let's say if you like this song, but you want maybe a 30-second version of it, Epidemic Sound makes it very easy to trim down full-length songs. You can click on this button here to create versions. And you can see that you can actually set the duration to different time intervals, some popular ones including 15, 30, and 60 seconds, or you can also type in a custom duration here if you need it to be a very specific length. And what's really nice is that there's this loopable button. So if you need something to loop, you can click on this button, it'll seamlessly loop the song over and over. In addition to that, you can actually highlight different parts that you want it to loop. Let's say if we want to use this selection, so it'll only use this part of the song. And you can see that it's loading, and once it's done, it'll give you a few different versions that you can choose from that are 1 minute long and that loops. So this is a really cool feature that's very unique to Epidemic Sound. If we exit out, you also have the Find Similar feature. So if you like this song, maybe you want some similar songs, you can click on this. And likewise, similar how you can make a selection for the different versions, you can also choose different sections of the song to find something similar to. So if there's a certain part of this song that you want to find similar songs to, you can easily click and drag these handlebars or click and drag the selection to find different songs that sound similar to this part of that song. Now, in addition to this, you can actually download parts of songs. So let's say if you just wanted to download this portion of this song, you didn't need the beginning or the end per se. You can actually click on this, click on the ellipses, click download, and go to segment. You can actually just download that segment of that song, which is really cool. I did also want to mention that all Epidemic songs have the ability to download stems. So you can download individual stems and remix these into your own project, which is really nice if you want a customizable way to edit your songs. So that's the songs feature. The sound effects are very similar. And for this, let's use the AI assistant. We can describe what we're looking for. So for example here, I'm creating a travel highlight with some shots of nature and different travel video clips. I'm gonna ask the AI to pull some nature sound effects. So if we click on this button here, you can see that we've submitted our prompt in the chat, and the AI assistant will do some digging and bring up some options for us to use. So as we can see, we have some different options here. These are really nice. And if you scroll down, you can see the AI broke it into different sections as well. So it's kind of a more advanced way of browsing and kind of sorting the different sound effects. You also have different prompts down below that you can choose to kind of explore further. For example, we can explore more weather-related sound effects, and the AI will then put together even more sound effects for us to choose from. So as we can see, we have like gentle rain, ambience, dramatic thunder and lightning. So this chat feature is really helpful. Now let's head over to the Voices tab. So this came out recently inside Epidemic Sound. You can choose to create AI voiceovers, whether it's using your own voice or one of the voice actors that they have here. So for example, if you wanted to choose one of their actors, you can select one. You have different languages that you can choose from on the top left side. You also have different speed settings here, and you can type in something you'd like him to say. And what's really nice is actually you can add pauses, which a lot of the other AI voiceovers don't really have. So let's say if I wanted to add a pause here, I can just kind of reword it and add a pause, half second. Welcome. So I'm going to have them say, hello, welcome to the video with a half-second pause there. We can create our voiceover.
Hello. Welcome to the video.
So that's a pretty cool feature. In addition to that, you also can upload your own voice. So for example, I'm going to do this now. I haven't done this yet. I'm just going to upload my own voice. I'm going to choose English, do American, male, and then you can choose to upload a file. So an MP3 file, maximum upload is 4 megabytes. So I recorded a part of this podcast episode. I'm going to use this as a sample. I'm going to click open, and now I'm going to click create voice. Then it's going to ask me to click record and read the following text aloud just to verify. I confirm that I am trying to clone a voice that I have the right to use. All right, let's test this out. I have no idea how this is going to sound, so this will be interesting. All right, let's create this voiceover. Hello, I'm John, the video guy. Welcome to the video. I mean, it kind of sounds like me, but I don't know. It kind of sounds like I have an accent of some sort, but I don't know, it's a cool feature if you want to explore it. Now, in addition to voices, one other feature that they have is this labs category. This hosts some experimental features that Epidemic Sound is working on. One that's really cool is that they have this studio where you can actually soundtrack a video. So you can actually upload a video and it will add sounds and different music to it. So it will automatically soundtrack your video, which is pretty cool. Just to show you how this works, I'm going to choose one of the examples so you can see what it can do. So you can see it adds music and some sound effects to this video. So this is really cool. Now your results will vary depending on the uploaded video and the stock assets that Epidemic Sound has, but it's a cool feature to try out and see what happens with your own content. Another feature that they have in labs is adapt. So let's say if you're browsing a song, we can adapt this song and actually change the style of it, which is very unique. So let's say if we wanted to take the song that's very poppy and maybe make it more heavy metal, for example, we can click adapt. We can click on adapt music at the bottom. We can ask it to change it to heavy metal, just to show an extreme example of how this works. And we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. It's crazy that the AI can do that. Basically taking any song and basically manipulating it completely, like did like a 360 on it. That's crazy. One other feature that's included with Epidemic Sound is extensions for the video editor that you're editing in. So I'm a Premiere Pro video editor if you're new to the channel, and when you install it, you can access it inside the extensions. So you can browse that whole Epidemic Sound library directly inside your video editing software. So as you can see, you can browse music, sound effects, the voices catalog, and even the studio directly inside your video editing software. Now, what's really nice with the music, specifically when it comes to the extension, is that you can search by the video based on your timeline. So let's say if you're actually editing this inside Premiere Pro here, what you can do is actually click search by video, and it will actually analyze your video and choose a nice soundtrack to match your clips in your timeline. So that's a really cool feature. Back inside Epidemic Sound, you can install the extension by clicking on this drop down here under apps. You can see it's supported for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Audition, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut is currently coming soon. And they also have mobile apps. I also did want to mention that they do have credits, so when you use the AI features on the website, you are using up your credits. You can always purchase more by clicking on this top up button. But that's pretty much it for an overview of Epidemic Sound here in 2026. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.